Hey guys, I thought I would just show you how I fold my camisoles, in particular these very loose and floaty fabrics that are quite difficult to hang on a coat hanger. So I'm just going to show you how I fold these kinds of garments. So I'll start by putting the camisole facing forward, and then we flip over at the sides like so, and then I take the straps and tuck them inside, and then we flip over again. So in the end you are left with a nice square. So here we have the same. Just take this one, flip it over, and we will do the same. So fold it in and fold it in again down the center, flip over the top and flip over in the middle. And there you have the same. And this one, which is very loose. These types of camis do take a while to fold, but in the end it does look very neat. So we do the same. Just flip it over and in and over again. And then what you are left with are 3 very neatly folded camis, and then at a glance you can still see each one down the side, so you won't need to worry about not knowing which is which. So I hope that was helpful to you.